Welcome students in the class of English. Today we will make the end of this chapter, chapter 1, The Lost Child of the book, Moments, and I will give you some guidelines to make the answers of the given questions of the story. As we know in the story, in a fear, a child lost his parents. After that, he became very nervous and started to run here and there in seek of his parents, and then he cried a lot. And just running about, he went to a shrine where there was too much crowd, a big crowd there was, and many of persons were jostling each other to make their way. That child was about to be trampled on by the thick leg of a very strong person. A gentleman came there and he picked up the boy in a very difficult manner by getting difficulty. What had happened? We will read today. How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked as he steered clear of the mass. वह व्यक्ति जब उसे उतनी बड़ी भीड़ से बाहर ले आया तो उसने पूछा कि तुम यहाँ कैसे आए और तुम्हारे माता पिता कौन हैं? The child wept more bitterly than even now and only cried, I want my mother, want my father. बच्चा पहले से भी ज़्यादा बुरी तरह रोने लगा कि उसे केवल उसे माता चाहिए और पिता चाहिए. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. अब हम देखेंगे कि उस आदमी ने उसे वो सब कुछ ऑफ़र किया जिसके लिए वह पहले डिमांड करने की इच्छा की थी, खरीदने की इच्छा की थी या फिर घूमने की इच्छा की थी, मगर डर से अपने पेरेंट्स से उसने नहीं कहा. तो लेकिन ये आदमी उसे बच्चे को मनाने के लिए वो सब कुछ उसे ऑफ़र करता है. तो हमें देखना है कि उस बच्चे में क्या रिएक्शन होता है. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. वह आदमी उसे चुप कराने की कोशिश करते हुए उसे झूले के पास ले गया जहाँ से वह खो गया था, अपने माता पिता से अलग हो गया था. किस लिए? उसी झूला पर बैठने के इंटरेस्ट के कारण. तो वो आदमी ले गया और पूछा, विल यू हैव अ राइड ऑन द हॉर्स? क्या तुम इस घोड़े पे बैठोगे? ही जेंटली आस्क्ड एज ही अप्रोच्ड द रिंग. उसने बहुत सावधानी से पूछा, जेंटल वे में जब उसे वहाँ पे ले गया तो. द चाइल्ड्स थ्रोट टोर इनटू 1,000 shrill sobs एंड ही ओनली शाउटेड, आई वांट माय मदर, आई वांट माय फादर. लेकिन ये सुनकर उसे और अच्छा नहीं लगा, बल्कि उसने और भी ज़्यादा वो सुबकने लगा और सुबकते हुए चिल्ला कर बोलता है कि मुझे तो केवल मेरी माँ चाहिए, पिताजी चाहिए. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. वह आदमी उसे उस स्नेक चार्मर के पास ही ले गया जो अभी भी बीन बजा रहा था और वो कोबरा जो है नाग वो झूम रहा था. Listen to that music, child, he pleaded. But the child shut his ears with his fingers and shouted his double-pitched strains, I want my mother, I want my father. लेकिन उस बच्चे ने उसने कहा कि बच्चों सुनो कितनी अच्छी धुन बज रही है, लेकिन बच्चे ने अपने कान को बंद कर लिया और वो और भी ज़्यादा तेज़ी से चिल्लाया, दुगनी तेज़ी से चीख कर बोला कि मुझे तो केवल मेरे मदर और फादर चाहिए. The man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quieten him. वह आदमी फिर उस बैलून वाले के पास भी ले गया और ये सोचकर कि इससे इसका डिस्ट्रैक्शन बनेगा और ये थोड़ा शांत हो जाएगा. और उस आदमी ने कहा, वुड यू लाइक रेनबो कलर्ड बैलून्स? देखो इंद्रधनुषी रंग का बैलून तुम लेना चाहोगे? ही परसुएसिवली आस्क्ड, वो उसे मनाते हुए पूछा. द चाइल्ड टर्न्ड हिज आइज फ्रॉम द फ्लाइंग बैलून्स एंड जस्ट सॉफ्ट, आई वांट माई मदर, आई वांट माई फादर. तो उस बच्चे ने उधर से नज़र हटा ली जिस बैलून के लिए वो इतना परेशान था और कहता है कि मुझे तो केवल मेरी फादर या मदर चाहिए, माता और पिता चाहिए. The man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. वह आदमी अभी तक ये कोशिश में लगा हुआ था कि वह इस बच्चे को बना ले और उसे लेकर वहाँ गेट पे जाता है जहाँ की वो फूल बेचने वाले बैठे होते हैं। और उसने कहा, लुक, कैन यू स्मेल दोज नाइस फ्लावर्स चाइल्ड? वुड यू लाइक अ गार्लैंड टू पुट राउंड योर नेक? देखो कितना सुंदर स्मेल है इन फूलों का, क्या तुम एक माला लेना पसंद करोगे? क्या रिएक्शन होता है उस बच्चे का? द चाइल्ड turned his nose away from the basket and retreated his sob, I want my mother, I want my father. लेकिन बच्चे ने उधर से अपनी नाक को ही हटा ली और उसने बस एक ही बात कही कि मुझे केवल मेरी मदर चाहिए, पिता चाहिए. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. यह सोचते हुए कि यह बच्चा मिठाई, बहुत दुखी है बच्चा लेकिन मिठाई पाकर खुश हो जाएगा, वह आदमी उसे उस हलवाई की दुकान पर ले गया और पूछा, व्हाट स्वीट शुड यू लाइक चाइल्ड? इसे तुम बर्फ़ी बहुत पसंद थी, बहुत तरसा था. लेकिन यहाँ जब उस आदमी ने पूछा कि तुम्हें कौन सी मिठाई चाहिए, इतनी आसानी से उसे मिठाई मिल रही थी, लेकिन उसने कहा, द चाइल्ड टर्न्ड हिज फेस फ्रॉम द स्वीट शॉप एंड ओनली सॉफ्ट, आई वांट माई मदर, आई वांट माई फादर. लेकिन बच्चे ने अपना चेहरा उधर से हटा लिया और वह बस एक ही बात कहता था कि मुझे मेरे मदर चाहिए या पिताजी चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर. तो हमने देखा कि वो जो उस बच्चे, जब तक वह बच्चा अपने माता पिता के साथ था तो उसे बहुत कुछ की इच्छा हुई, लेकिन जब उससे उसके माता पिता खो गए तो उसकी सारी इच्छाएं दब गई. एक आदमी ने उसे सब कुछ आसानी से दिलवाने के लिए उसे सभी जगह लेकर गए, लेकिन उस बच्चे को किसी भी चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट नहीं आई. क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज he has lost his parents, and the most important thing in his life was his parents. Okay, now I will give you a little guidelines to make the answers of the given questions of the chapter. With the help of that, you will write the answers of all the given questions. The first question is, what are the things the child sees on the way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? तो कहने का अर्थ है कि मेले जाने के रास्ते में उसने किन किन चीज़ों को देखा और वह पीछे क्यों रह जाता था. तो दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन दैट ऑन द वे टू द फेयर. So the answer you will write, the child on the way to the fair, the child sees toys in the toy shops, dragonflies, bees, butterflies, groups of insects and worms teeming near their holes. Shower of flowers falling and the doves chirping. He used to lag behind because he is being fascinated by getting such sights and wants to take interest of that or enjoy them, all of them. Second question is, in the fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? In the fair, the child wants many of things as barfi, garland of gulmohar, balloons. He wants to hear the flute of a snake charmer, to have a ride on roundabout on a swing. But he knows better that if he makes any demand to his parents, they would refuse by calling him a greedy boy and about the thing that very thing is cheap, etc. So he moves on without waiting for an answer. Question number 3. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? When the child reaches near a roundabout which is in full swing in the air, in the fair, and on which men, human and children were sitting and enjoying by giving their laughing and screaming, the child becomes fascinated by this. He wants to go for a ride, therefore he makes a bold request to his parents. but he gets no any reply. So he turns to look at his parents but finds that his parents are not there. Then at this point, he realizes that he is lost. Then the question is, how have his anxiety and insecurity been described? You will write, he panicked and started crying. He starts to run here and there without knowing where he has to go. He is screaming and calling only father, mother. Hot tears are rolling from his eyes, and his clothes becomes muddy and turban comes untied. Not only this, he enters into a shrine where there is a big crowd. With very much difficulty, he used to make his way between the thick legs of strong persons. Time to time, he used to get hurt. Such type of situation shows his anxiety and insecurity. Question number 4. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? When the child got himself separated from his parents, he does not get any interest in anything, because there was no any importance of any such things for him except his parents. The most important thing, the most valuable thing for his life were his parents. So he loses his interest in all those things, those very things which he wants earlier. Question number 5, and the last question is, what do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? For the answer, it can be said that there is suspense in the end of the story, because the writer did not give about the lost child, whether he is got to his parents or not. It has not been discussed in the story. It seems that the story is incomplete, so we can guess only. And in this regard, what we guess that the gentleman was a very gentle person, and as I think, that man must have helped the child to find out his parents, as he would take him to the counter to make his name note in the list in as a lost child, so that there would be an announcement that a child has lost his parents, and in this manner the parents would get their child. And similarly, the parents were also trying to seek their child, and they were also doing their best, and so I think in the end the child would get his parents. Students, you will write the answer for this question by taking the help of these guidelines. Thanks a lot for watching the video.